Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings and tap General, then Software Update to check for updates. This screen shows the current iOS version and available updates. Back up your iPhone to iCloud or to a computer before installing any update. A backup protects photos, messages, and app data in case of problems. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network before downloading to avoid cellular charges or interruptions. Charge the iPhone to at least 50% or keep it plugged into power during the update process. Ensure you have at least 5 GB free storage for the download. Tap Download and Install on the Software Update screen when an update appears. Enter your passcode if prompted and agree to the terms to continue. The device will download the update and prepare the installation automatically. Installing the iOS update updates Safari to the newest version without a separate App Store action. The phone will reboot and display an Apple logo while installing the update files. Do not disconnect power or interrupt the device until the installation completes and the home screen reappears. Expect the process to take between 5 and 30 minutes depending on model. After the iPhone restarts, open Settings and scroll to Safari to confirm the update took effect. You can also test Apple features like tabs, private browsing, and extensions to ensure functionality. Visit several websites to verify page loading speed and compatibility with common sites. If you use iCloud tabs or bookmarks, confirm they sync across devices within minutes. If you notice missing data, restore from your iCloud or computer backup that you created before updating. If problems persist, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for diagnostics and help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.